Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply for SoFi Auto Loans. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the Discover. We have the watch list. Here we have the account, the invest, we have the orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have the social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for SoFi Auto Loans. So applying for SoFi Auto Loan is a straightforward process. Go to your SoFi Auto Loans page and then click on check your rate and provide some basic information like your name, state of residence, and email. Fill out the application form with details such as the loan amount you'll need and intended to use. Upload any necessary documents, which may include proof of income, identification, and other financial information. If you qualify, you'll receive a loan term review. Make sure you read through them carefully. If you agree with the terms, accept them and electronically sign the loan documents. Once everything is approved, SoFi will distribute the funds according to agreed timeline. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.